Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on and set up alarm for the speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2. You have to start by opening application, go to settings, click on alarm, turn on it. Now click on the time and choose the best one for you. Let's say 10, 11, save, and we change it. If you want to repeat this alarm every day, click on daily. In a third line we can change a song what we want to hear. So click on it, My Library, go to settings, click on Media and Apple Music, then return, repeat, click on My Library, and now you can choose the best one for you. Click Done and you will change a song. In the last line we can change a volume. If you move to the right, you increase the volume of alarm, and if you move to the left, you lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!